destination in about 2 minutes. So this is the place, so we can enter from over here, and this is actually a garden which is located opposite of L&T, actually at the corner. So yeah, the kids are playing over here and the scenery is good.
He's selling butterfly in Hyderabad.
Hello people, and welcome to another vlog. So today I'm here at Powai Dam, which is located nearby at my home, and it's about 2 kilometers. So why visit Lonavala when this thing is here? So yeah, I'll check this out, and because no one has ever made vlog over here, I'm the first person probably. So let's do it. It should be fun. Yeah. The beauty here is so amazing. It's so greenery over here, and I've never seen this much greenery. It's a month of rainy season, so yeah, it will be there. And yeah, from my left there is the dam, and we'll go there and check it. Okay, so this is the dam behind me, and yeah, as you can see, this is a dam. You might be going down soon. Yeah. Okay, so now the time is up and we're going down. Yesterday I actually visited this place. Yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday. So yesterday was so crowded that even you can't take a picture of this thing. But for today it's alhamdulillah fine and everything is great. So yeah, we just go down. Even no one is there downstairs. So we'll go there and have a look. Powai लेके So getting over here is a pretty adventurous thing. बहुत मुश्किल लगी यहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए. Like almost आधा घंटा लगा चलने वहाँ से वो डैम से मेन नंबर 2 गेट तक. So ये जगह अच्छी है. अभी जस्ट 2 मिनट में हम लोग पहुँच जाएंगे वहाँ पर. Okay, so I'm here at the dam, just nearby the dam, and in a couple of time I'll go nearby. दूसरा सीधा लेक पे we'll go in the water. This garden is quite like a forest, and I'm searching to go inside, but I cannot go inside. So somehow I tried to manage to go nearby this waterfall, and yes, I did. There's few people who is taking bath over here and enjoying themselves. Okay people, now finally I'm down here near the dam, and it's so amazing, it's damn sure that I'm down. Yeah, so why visit Lonavala Bushi Dam if you have Powai Dam beside your home? So visit this, but don't visit on weekends, visit on weekdays, okay? And more awesome content are coming soon on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. So if you subscribe, you can watch my new content. A subscription is free. Now the water is even less because from 2 to 3 days there is no rain, so no rain means no water, and that side there's a lot of stream, but not this side. Probably after 2 to 3 days with the good rain there will be more water. Yeah, so I will put the link in the description to this area so you can visit it, because most of the people doesn't know where this is. So yeah. So it was an amazing time over there and we enjoyed a lot. So now it's time to wrap up this vlog, and then stay amazing, and until next time, peace.